We choose Guillermo Tolentino because he is a well-known sculptor. His works like Andres Bonifacio Monument and UP Oblation sculpture encourage us to study his life and work. And we can go and see his works.
Guillermo Estrella Tolentino was a famous Filipino sculptor and a professor in the University of the Philippines. He was designated as the National Artist of the Philippines in Sculpture in 1973, 3 years before his death.
Before being interested in sculptures, he learned how to play the guitar, a skill which he inherited from his father. The young Tolentino showed an early talent in sculpting, having been able to mold figures of horses and dogs out of clay. Tolentino started studying in Malolos Intermediate School and continued his high school years in the same city. After studying in Malolos, Tolentino went to Manila and attended classes in the School of Fine Arts of the University of the Philippines. Along with 13 artists, Tolentino joined a contest in 1930 to design the Bonifacio Monument. Down to 7 entries, the committee had its winners by July 29. Tolentino's entry won first place and was given a cash prize of 3,000 pesos. In 1935, Rafael Palma, president of the University of the Philippines, commissioned Tolentino to sculpt the Oblation, a statue based on the second stanza of Jose Rizal's Mi Ultimo Adios. Tolentino used concrete to create the statue, but it was painted to look like bronze. The statue's model was Anastasio Cedo, his assistant, whose physique was combined with the proportion of Virgilio Raimundo, his brother-in-law. The University of the Philippines Alumni Association requested Tolentino on October 25, 1935 to construct an arch commemorating the inauguration of the Commonwealth of the Philippines, but it was never built because of the war. Besides monuments, Tolentino made smaller sculptures, which are now located in the National Museum of the Philippines, and busts of heroes at the Malacañang Palace. He also designed the medals of the Ramon Magsaysay Award and the Seal of the Republic of the Philippines.
Ang susunod na programa ay Rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Dito kami sa monumento ni Bonifacio.
Nagawa ni Guillermo Tolentino.
Kung makikita nyo, kung malinis, saka walaman, walang alat.
Ngayon pupunta na tayo sa National Museum para makita yung mga iba pang gawa ni Guillermo Tolentino.
Ano na? Ayan, makikita natin ang hirap sumakay. Talagang mahirap sumakay ngayon. Walang jeep. Joke muna si Ian.
Dito na po tayo ngayon sa National Museum. Karating lang namin ang sobrang init. Pasok nga po tayo sa loob.
Pasok tayo sa loob. Tara na, tara.
Kasi bawal mag-video rito. Kunyari si selfie kami. Sabi bawal. Papasok na kami. So patagulan kami mag-video ng sculpture sa Miguel.
Ngayon ay tapos na nating siyasatin ng patago ang mga gawa ni Guillermo Tolentino sa loob ng museo. Hanggang sa muli sa inyo mga manonood. Ikaw na ba?
Sige, okay lang. Tuloy.
Ikaw na ba? We choose Guillermo Tolentino as our artist because he is a well-known, shit. What?
Tingin son, dahan-dahan lang. Tingin son.
It's the one and only Digo Double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Oh, ang isang